Hello students, welcome to section 4.4, Solving Systems with Desmos.com. Just quick overview. Last year students used TI-83s, the graphing calculators, but this year we decided to use Desmos because some students do not have calculators, and also with the COVID-19, it's safer. So how do we solve systems using the Desmos.com? Okay, so if you look at the problem we have for you, y equals x plus 3 and y equals -1, x plus 1, we have two equations. Now, if you graph it, the two lines intersect, and the intersection is the solution. So where do they intersect? If you look at the graph, they intersect over here, okay? And in the intersection is -1, 2. Please remember the scale. This is -1. So the answer will be -1, 2. So the intersection is -1, 2. Okay? How can you make sure that your point is the correct solution? Okay? What you can do, you can substitute -1 for x, and you can substitute 2 for y and see if it works. Okay, so if I substitute in the first equation, I'll get 2 is equal to -1 plus 3, and 2 is equal to 2, so that works. But it also has to satisfy the second equation. So in the second equation, you can just type 2 is equal to -x, which will be equal to -1 plus 1. In other words, opposite of -1, this becomes positive. So you get 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. So 2 is equal to 2. So that's how you check if your solution is correct. Okay? So what are our steps to solve systems using Desmos.com? Step number 1, go to www.desmos.com. So I will show it to you. Okay, so you can just type Desmos.com, graphing calculator. Okay, and let's solve example number 1 on next page. X minus y is equal to 4. So I'm solving this example over here on this page. Now you can solve this algebraically, which you have to do for homework, but you can always check your work using Desmos.com. The good thing about Desmos.com that you don't have to write it in y equals mx plus b. Okay, on TI-83 you have to solve for y. In other words, it has to be written in slope-intercept form. With Desmos.com, you can just type it in standard form. So the first equation is x minus y is equal to 4. And the second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. Okay? So it looks like the intersection is 3, -1. Okay, so the intersection here would be 3, -1. Okay? Now, how do you do the second problem? The second problem can be easily solved using elimination method. Okay, because if you add vertically, the y's will cancel. But again, let's use Desmos.com to check our work. So if you use Desmos.com, let's type x plus y is equal to -2. And the second equation is x minus y is equal to -4. So where do the two lines intersect? The intersection is -3, 1. Okay, so the intersection is -3, comma 1. Okay? And please take a moment and try example number 2. So pause this video if you have to and try number 2. Okay, so question number 2, we have x minus 2y equals 2. So I'm going to erase this. X minus 2y is equal to 2. And the second equation will be 7x minus 4y is equal to negative 16. Okay? The two lines intersect negative 4 comma negative 3. So the solution is negative 4 comma negative 3. So this will be negative 4 comma negative 3. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you to understand how to use Desmos and how to check your answers. Bye-bye.